Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Bones. Now, apart from providing rigidity and flexibility to your body, bones have other functions. For example, they provide you that internal framework, the way your body appears from your adulthood to your old age and to your childhood. It's because of the growth in the bones. For example, as a child, your bones were very small and slowly and steadily they grew in size, giving you that frame. Also, they provide attachment for various muscles, tendons, ligaments in your body, which facilitate locomotion or walking, running, gliding capacities. It protects important organs like your brains. For example, the skeletal bones protect brain. The respiratory bones, or you can say your rib cage, protect your lungs, heart. All of them are protected by certain kind of bony structures. They allow various movements inside our body, and blood cells which are formed in the bone marrow cavity in vertebrate organisms. Function of bone. And if we look around the function of bone, they basically provide internal framework to the body of every individual depending upon the age as well as the physical conditions. For example, as a child, your bones would give you a child kind of framework, but when you grow old and you have different bone density diseases, your bones will wear and tear. They provide place for attachment of muscles, tendons, which facilitates locomotion or movement in human beings. They also protect organs like your brain, for example, your muscle in your heart, and as well as your respiratory system, that's your lungs, are protected by the rib cage or rib bones. Your sutures of your brain or your skeletal muscles protect the brain. Blood cells are formed in the bone marrow cavity in vertebrates, and which also constitute a part of your bony structure. As well as lastly, they are reservoirs of calcium salts. Beneath the structure of your bones, or as we all know that bones are basically hollow structures, and inside those hollow structures the calcium that we intake are basically deposited. Basically, bones comprise 95% calcium storage of your body. Students, in this part of the chapter, we came across what are the functions of bones in totality of your body, whether it is in child or whether it is an adult individual. I hope students, we are very clear with this concept. Thank you.